MMM ideology. As we people know that modern world is bad, it is inhuman, unfair, and unjust in this world. Poor stays poor, richer gets richer. That's what MMM comes to change. The life of the poor people, to better living, to destroy the financial system, because the world now only smiles for those who print money, not to those who work very hard. What is money? Some people been taught that money can help us to reach the object of desire. Having money can buy anything you want to dress, you would like to travel, but the main thing, having money will be successful in the eyes of the others. But why money have such power over us? Some will say money is a measure of labor. That's why Triple M comes and try to show us that that is not the truth. Some will say it's for those who work more than others and who contribute more to development of the society. If you have no money, it means you are lazy or you are prioritize others. No. But money is really a measure of labor. Let us hear about that. An employer get paid with a monthly salary, but where did employer of the employee of the employer clients get money from? In MMM, we all get paid. No one get paid more than others. As long as you donate, you get paid according to your donation. Does it fall down from the sky, that money, which is paying those employers? Is it bought with the stock? No. The first money must be printed or created or electronical by someone. And 6, the gold standard was abolished and collapsed in the Bretton Woods monetary in 1937. Money is already possible to create it and quantity without any cost. But of course, by only those who enlighten to create the money, not all of us. The unlimited right to the treasury and the central bank are forever the right to belong to the commercial banks, so to stay distributed of the duties. It just lies deeper. The modern money monetary makes provided work unprofitable. The modern monetary system makes productive work unprofitable. The income of grapes collected in the limited by the harvesters. Thank you, MMM. We can take this world very far with you.